Good morning, everybody. Most welcome in the second episode of chapter Mesopotamian Civilization, class 11. Beta, in last episode, I have already discussed about the starting of writing style, features of writing style, how an urban civilization was developed, what was the importance of temple. But in this episode, I am going to discuss about three most important topics. First of all, the urban area. Beta, as you know, the Mesopotamian civilization was an urban civilization, like Indus Valley civilization in India. Before 5000 BCE, the urbanization was already started in Mesopotamia. There are three factors responsible behind the development of this urbanization. First factor was the emergence of temple. Any urban civilization was developed around a temple. Second was the manufacturing center. So many agricultural activities, extraction of grains, crushing of grains, extraction of oil, making of tools, making of jewelry, painting of other terracotta tablets. These all are some important activities, manufacturing activities, and due to a center of these manufacturing industries, an urbanization was developed in the Mesopotamian civilization. Third most important factor was a political activities, political center. Some urban area, Uruk, Mari, are some cities area which were developed as a capital of an empire. As for example, the Mari was developed as a capital of a empire of you can say the pasture people, reared people. But and other important factors like trade center and export import center, like port cities like Mari was an city which was very famous for the export and import center, trade center of the Mesopotamian civilization. But in the development of urbanization, first of all, a temple was responsible. A temple was developed, first of all, and a small temple, then after a larger temple. The expansion of urban area was with the expansion of the larger size of the temples. You can say the expansion of urban area was with the expansion of temple area. But in beginning, there was no any political system in the urban, in the Mesopotamian civilization. Generally, it was developed in form of clan, and mainly activity was agriculture. Fighting between the two communities in the Mesopotamian society due to the distribution of water of Tigris and Euphrates river. Distribution of water was a big factor of class between the two power. When a person leaded a community to distribute the water for irrigation to agricultural society, then slowly he emerged as a leader, as a king. Sometime this king these rulers just captured the people of opposite communities, opponents communities, and they appointed as a slaves, as a soldiers. But what happened, beta? Slowly, this king devoted to a temple, devoted to a god. They donated in large amount of properties, large amount of labors to build a very larger temples, and they were taking the trust, taking the support of common people, because they were promoting their religious beliefs, serving something for their gods, contributed important role to build a temple. So a person, a king, was accepted as a ruler for the whole society. So this is another very important factor, how a king was accepted and how developed the political system in the Mesopotamian civilization. But in Mesopotamian civilization, three most important cities, one by one we have to discuss about it. First of all, the Uruk. Uruk was really a very big city, a very big cities, and the expansion of this city was started from 250, you can say the 250 hectares to the 4,000 square hectares. You can say the 400 hectare square area, 250 square hectare to the 400 square hectare area. This Uruk city was expanded. That time the area of Mohenjo-daro was not expanded as the Uruk city. This Uruk city was also surrounded by a wall. You can say the Uruk city was a citadel city. The life of this Uruk city was from 4200 BCE to 400 BC, and this long time was so that the Uruk city was really a very developed city. So many temples constructed in this Uruk city. So many terracotta tablets or written evidences are found which show how a building, how a temple constructed by the labor. According to a calculation, approximately 1500 laborers were working up to 5 years, per day 10 hours working. They built a temple of Uruk. So it shows the development of this Uruk cities. But all cities were not just equal to this Uruk city. But something other aspects. as you know, the city of this Uruk city, there was an Ur city. This Ur city was very lower status in comparison to this Uruk city, and very important, it was not according to the